dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. The iPhone could not be restored and unknown error occurred for T13. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing you need to check your cable. So just check your connection to your laptop. If you have another cable, so just try to use another. So another thing you need to try, just get your phone and just make force restart on your phone. So no, it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you in example of iPhone with Face ID. So you just need to press high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button and it means that you successfully made force restart. So if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart on your device. And also you can try to update your system. So if you have Mac, just check your updates on Mac, and you can check it in App Store. And if you have Windows, just check your updates for Windows. And the latest thing you can try, just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.